Hello everyone. So today's video will be a continuity of the previous video, because in the previous video we have seen the basics of serial communication. What serial communication is, that means we are communicating between the Arduino and the computer through the cable, right? Whatever we are using for this uploading, the same cable we are going to use to communicate between the computer and the Arduino. And also I said I'm not going to talk about the communication from computer to Arduino. We will see that later, and first we will see the communication from Arduino to computer, right? So that means Arduino is supposed to send something to the computer, and I said okay, we will try to send a string value, or in other words a text value, or a message, okay, from Arduino to computer, right? So if we are supposed to send the command or send that particular order, that means send this message to computer, where can we instruct Arduino? Using this interface we can instruct Arduino, right? Because in the interface we are typing this code and sending the code to Arduino, right? So if you are typing something, that means it is being said to Arduino, then Arduino will follow up, right? So once you have sent this to Arduino, okay, once you have sent this message to Arduino, then Arduino will send the data back to where? This same computer, okay? So where you can see the message that is being sent from Arduino, be it a temperature sensor value that is being read by Arduino and being sent to the computer, be it a customized message value like I said in the previous video, that is being sent from Arduino to the computer, or be it a state of a switch that is being read from Arduino and being sent to the computer. We should be able to see it somewhere in the machine, right? Computer. So you don't have to write any customized applications to read that. You have something called serial monitor. So you can see it here in the right, in the right top corner of this Arduino, there is something written as serial monitor that shows a magnifying lens, right? So you just have to simply click here. Okay, I didn't click here because if you want to click here, you must connect an Arduino to your computer. Okay, I didn't connect my Arduino to the computer, so if I click, it will give me an error. Okay, so in your case, you connect an Arduino and you can click it. If you click it, a model will pop up. So it will look like this. Something like this you will get. Okay, so here you can see some values are displaying, right? So whatever the values or text or whatever is coming from the Arduino, okay, will be displayed here. So if I am saying Arduino, okay, send me a message, hello world, by coding, Arduino will send it. And if I open this serial monitor, if I click there, this model will pop up. If I open this serial, so once it's popped up, I will see the message being printed here, okay, in the window. Wait. Okay, so if I want to send something to Arduino, I can type something here and press the send button. You can see this here, right? So we will see that later. Let's not get into that. Okay, even if you send it, then you have to write a code to the Arduino. Please try to read this value from that is being sent from the serial monitor, that means from the computer, and do something like that. Okay, so you just cannot send something, you have to write a code for that, because you have to tell Arduino, okay, this is going to come, so you have to do something with this data. Okay, or you have to receive the data in a particular speed. I talked about those things, right? Anyway, we'll go back to the interface. So as I said, there are two things we have to do. First, we have to say to the Arduino, okay, start the serial communication in a particular speed. So this speed is called baud rate. You can remember, okay, it like the data speed. So how many bits or bytes or how much of data being sent per second. Okay, so there are some fixed data speed your computer can accept. Okay, you can tell Arduino to send data in any speed you want, but computer has a few fixed data speeds. Okay, so you have to use one of them to tell Arduino, okay, send it in that particular speed. That is when only my computer can accept this data or receive the data without an issue. Okay, so if you don't understand these things, go back to the previous video, watch and come back. Okay, so this telling thing we have to say one time because it is enough. We have to say, okay, we start the communication, that means do it one time in a particular speed. Okay, so saying it one time will enough. Remember, okay, no matter how many times I am sending the data, this is the speed I have to send the data, okay, in. Okay, in this speed only I have to send the data. Okay, this is the protocol, this is the rule. Okay, so how to write it? Since it's a serial communication, you have to type this. Since this is a serial communication, you have to type this serial dot begin. Begin means obviously starting, right? So type an enter so that you can see it properly. So I am typing it inside the void setup because we want it to happen only one time. You can write it here as well, but repetitively it is running. That means unnecessary processing time. One time is enough. Then what you have to do is you have to open and close a bracket, and inside the bracket you have to mention the speed, data speed that you want. Okay, so for the moment I want to tell you there are few data speeds that is starting from 9600. Okay, and it is going to some extent. Okay, so I will use the same speed as data speed 9600. This value is available in the computer. Okay, you can customize once you open your serial monitor. I will tell you that later. Okay, so I will say, so you also can follow the same scenario, write 9600. So Arduino will remember, okay, I have to send the data in 9600 data speed. For the moment you can say data speed. For 1 second, 9600 bit or bytes or something is I am sending. Okay, and you have to have the semicolon, that's a rule. So here by we have said, okay, be ready, get things ready. Now what we have to do? Just sending the data. So I have to tell the Arduino, so what it is supposed to send. Okay, is that going to read a temperature value and send that to computer, or is that going to read some other sensor value and read it to the computer, or is that going to read the light density of the room and send it to the computer? We are not getting into that kind of things right now. With time we will follow up those things. We will get into that. For the moment I will send a customized text. I will tell Arduino, okay, print my name or send my name to the computer repeatedly. Okay, no problem. Let's go for this. So I will write serial. So how to tell that is, we have said to initiate this. Okay, initiate this process here. So now we have to send it. Okay, send. Okay, so how to tell it? Serial dot print. I will have an ln, print ln. That means every time he sends the message, because this is a void loop, he is going to repeatedly send the message. Okay, since I am writing it inside the void loop, it is going to be repeatedly sent again and again and again and again, right? So I want to have each value in new line, so that is why I have this ln appended here. Otherwise you can write serial print. Okay, for the moment let's go for this. Okay, just follow this rule, guys. Serial dot println, and again you will have two brackets. Okay, inside the bracket you are going to have your message that is going to be printed, or that is going to be sent from Arduino. Okay, wait. Now I am going to customize the message, right? So when I am giving a message, or like we call this as strings. For the moment you can think like a text. A message is a text, right? If I am saying hello world, it's a text, 2 words, a sentence. So when you are sending a sentence, okay, we are telling it as string in the Arduino. Just forget about this. When you are sending that kind of things, you have to write it inside exclamation. It's not exclamation, inside double quotes. Okay, so I will say, hi, I am Arduino, and I'm telling you, Arduino, please send this value. Okay, send this text message, not text message, send this text or send this sentence to computer. Okay, so then what will happen is Arduino will send the data once you have uploaded. So if you open the serial monitor, you will see in the serial monitor that hi, I am Arduino will be coming in here in the first line. Okay, wait. So once he has sent it, then what will happen? He will go here, come here, and again do the same thing. Okay, because void loop is iterative, right? Repetitive. So it is going to repeatedly happen, right? Understood, guys? So forever you will see this hi, I am Arduino will be coming again and again, keep coming in the new line. Okay, so that is one thing. Another thing is, okay, here you can see there is something called 115 200 baud. Okay, so this is the place you have to set your speed. Okay, we will have a look on that, guys, in the upcoming video. Follow me up in the next video.